How to fix your iPhone hotspot is connected but there's no internet. So if your hotspot's not working and you can't use the internet, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this. So first thing is you need to bring up the settings on your iPhone and then just toggle on the airplane mode. Now wait around 10 seconds and try turning off airplane mode. And then what we're going to do is scroll down to mobile hotspot. Now go and turn off allow others to join, wait around 10 seconds and then go and turn this back on. You can then click on the Wi-Fi password and try changing your password to something different. Once you've done that, go and save the changes. Make sure maximize compatibility is turned on. And once you've done all of this, head over to your second device. Make sure you're using the new updated password and you can try connecting to your hotspot and the internet should now be working. If you're still having an issue, you'll need to head back over to the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Scroll down again and select Transfer or Reset iPhone and then press Reset. You'll then need to select Reset Network Settings and then just enter your device's passcode. Once you've done this, you can try re-enabling your mobile hotspot and that should have fixed the issue where the internet is not working.